Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about calculating the payment and amount which we need to make to AWS if we are running some services, right? So I know like some of you are absolutely new to the cloud and some of you are experienced, but as I mentioned, like this course is for anyone who wants to start his or her journey on AWS Cloud, right? So first thing is that let's say if you want to run a service and you want to know like what is its price. So the best known tool from AWS is calculator.aws. Just type calculator.aws on the URL and you should be in, right? Now, have a read through of this one, but I will give you one small demo like how to check the estimate. For example, if you are running EC2 instance of different types, how much it will be versus the other instance types, right? So let's do. In this particular example, you don't need to actually log into your, AWS account. So let's create an estimate, okay? Now, I want to check on, for example, in the region Asia Pacific Mumbai, or I can change it here wherever I want to see or where I will be hosting my services. It can be Singapore, it can be Mumbai, it can be all the other availability zones, right? Now let's go to the service which I am particularly interested in to understand what will be my cost if I use that particular service. So I am interested in, first of all, EC2, or yeah, let's do EC2 first, okay? Let's do configure. And I am here, let me give the description here, EC2 pricing. Region I'm choosing as Mumbai. And tenancy, I'll choose shared because I am just starting off for the training. For example, I'll choose Linux, constant use, or weekly or monthly number of instances. Let's say I want to do 4, right? And now I want to choose which family I want, correct? Let's say I want it to be, okay, instance family I can choose from here. Let's keep it as it is. Then I will choose the other one now. Other part is like payment options and other things. Now instance type, as we do in all our trainings and other things, we choose T3 micro, and you see I get $15.77 USD here. So I know like my monthly cost for 5 instances for T3 micro will be $15 USD. So in this way, you can plan your things out because you are in learning phase, right? You are not an expert as of now using your company's enterprise account and other things. I'll be making one video on different support plans so you understand like how you can play around with it. So people ask me many a times like why I should learn cloud, because cloud is everywhere. Actually, you are already using cloud. I will make a video like why you should be using cloud. For example, if you are using Gmail, right, that is also on cloud, right? You are putting some files on, let's say, on Dropbox, or let's say in your Google Drive and all these things. That is also cloud. So you are already using cloud, but why you should more learn the cloud is because in any of your profession going forward, cloud will be the niche thing to know, and you will have an edge with that, right? So it is very good to understand and start from learning the very basics, which I am putting it in a practitioner exam certification preparation. And the best thing is to get certified, because give yourself a KPI to meet. Like learning, everybody does. Like if you cross this line and get that certification, means yes, you have learned a bit of it, right? So yeah, going back to the topic again, like here we can see like what are the things and how much cost I have to pay. Then I can choose for other things if I want to. Let's say I want to do for Amazon Elastic Container services. I want to do for ECS. Yes, where is ECS here? EKS is here, and we can search it like this also. ECS, right? So here, where it is, ECS. Yeah, Fargate. Fargate is your serverless compute engine with this one. So let me check how much is going to cost me. Let's say I want to do it ECS serverless thing. ECS cost Linux. Number of tasks and pods. Like this one, you don't need to understand now. I'm just giving you an example. So I'll do 3, and average duration is, let's say, 30 minutes, right? Amount, I will take 2 GB. Ephemeral storage is 20, by default is okay, and show calculations. So monthly cost comes to me is 2.36. So in this way, I can actually, know my cost beforehand, which is a great way to configure your things and learn. Because I am also making a course on ECS, which is an advanced course after cloud practitioner and other things. So I wanted to know like how much it will be costing me, which we will actually look into more details once we work on ECS and EKS, right? ECS and EKS is based on your Dockers and Kubernetes services. So we will deep dive on it later on the advanced course. That will be also live though. Next, let's say I want to do some, IoT things and firewall. I want to put some firewall. I want to use some other database migration services, and I want to use something like data transfer, AWS config. I want to audit my resources, like if any security group has been changed or something like that. So we can do that. So here is all the list of the services. So please use this judiciously and use it actually in your every setup you want to test out with, and that will give you more confidence of what you will be paying going forward. Also, in my live classes, the first thing what we do is we put the billing alert. We don't want our bill to go, for example, like more than like 1,000 rupees per month, or let's say $10 per month. So we can create that, and based on that, we can run our services, and also we can do our testing. So that's all for this particular video lesson, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Good day and see you soon. Bye.